In this video, you're going to learn how to create your own LinkedIn group, and this is one of the best tactics to build your brand and generate leads to grow your small business. So we're going to run through the 3 important steps you need to complete, and the first step is actually just to go ahead and create the group. So to do that, log into your LinkedIn profile, come across to work, and then you'll see the option to go over to groups. Then if you come to my groups, you can see the option to create a group. Now in here, you can see that you can give your group a title. You can upload a description, a logo, include some rules, and you'll probably want to leave this as a standard group so it can be visible in the search results so people can find it and other members can be invited to it. So in terms of what should you be putting in the title, the logo, and the description, well, really you just want to communicate the benefits of people joining this group. What is this group about? Is it a topic like social media marketing? And in the description then, what is the benefit of this group? Learn strategies learn the latest strategies for social media marketing that can grow your business, etc. You need to get across the benefits there. So that is step number 1, just simply create a group. And if you're a little bit unsure about this, you can always come in and discover some groups to see the titles that they've put in, to see some of the descriptions here that they've put in, and you can just have a glance through those to really help you get started setting up the group if you're having a problem with that. So step number 1 is just create your own LinkedIn group. Now step number 2 is where it starts to get interesting. This is where we want to find people to join our group, and to do that, let's go back to LinkedIn. Essentially what we want to do is funnel people who are already active in similar groups back to our group. And so to do that, let's just say I'm going to search for social media marketing. And we can see that I'm seeing all these search results here: people, jobs, content, companies. But I really want to filter this down to groups. And so what I want to do is go ahead and start to join these groups. Now I'm a member of this one already, so you just keep working down through the list. You can see 2 million people on this group, which actually I've requested to join. So you don't join immediately, you may see it pending. And so you can just keep going down through the list, and you can become a member of up to 50 groups. They may not approve your request to join straight away, but usually it's done within 24 hours. So that was step number 2, just join up to 50 relevant groups that already contain your audience. Now step number 3 is to come back to the group section again. And really we want to have a look inside of these groups that we have really joined here. So let's go to this one, looks quite active. And now what we want to do, once we're inside one of the groups and we're approved as a member, that we want to click on the members tab here. And once we are in the members tab, then we can actually start to message people directly for free. We don't have to pay to do this. And we could send a personalized message, invite them to join our group, and paste a link to our group in there as well. So you can work down through the list if you want. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of people in this group. So sometimes it's a good strategy to actually come in and maybe look at those smaller groups, say this one here, that has a smaller number of members, 444, and you can invite them personally. Or you can just take the time to go through, have a look at their profiles and see, are they really a good fit for you? And that is a great way that you can really just build up a valuable pool of your potential customers. So inside of your group, what you can do is just maybe block any from competitors for getting in. You obviously want to demonstrate your value, demonstrate your expertise. Don't be overtly spammy or salesy, but it's hugely beneficial to have all of your target audience in one place. So now that you know how to create a group on LinkedIn, consider using this tactic for yourself to build your brand and generate leads to grow your small business.